Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will guide you through how to pin Facebook Marketplace icon in your shortcut bar. To do so, first of all, open your Facebook application and then make sure that you have logged into it. Then hit on the menu button which is on the bottom right corner of your screen. Now scroll down a little bit, there you will see an option of setting and privacy. From here, select settings. Then scroll down a little bit and you will see tab bar, hit on that. Now you will see two options, among them choose the customize the bar option and there you will see an option of marketplace. Now it is set to auto, simply click on the auto and pop-up will be occur. Then simply hit on the pin. Now in this way you can easily pin Facebook Marketplace icon in your shortcut bar. I hope you like this video. If you like this video then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.